Hellblaster is going for his first volley of the game.
I do love a hellblaster.
It's always scary for both parties, I think.
All right, first barrel.
Yeah. It's lucky you got that reroll.
You got to roll the misfire fetch to roll 3 barrels first.
I think you roll it because if one of the results is that it ignores other 3. Ooh, check what that is. Right, so John would miss this turn and next turns with a shooting, but he's risking a reroll. Could be worse.
Bollocks to the hellblaster. Yeah,
slightly better. So just this turn doesn't fire.
In, yeah.
Just don't fire this turn, so it was worth the reroll.
Do you want to do your last panic on camera?
Yeah, why not? So these guys got a panic test because of a lot of shooting went at them. Oh, that green dice, I don't trust it at the moment. Yeah, good. All right, end of the shooting.